Welcome back to my tutorial series on how to set up and use the SICK Augmented Reality Assistant. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a cell, add data sources, configure views, set up the menu. A cell is a virtual construct consisting of one or more data sources, for example, data from sensors. A cell might be a robot cell that includes one or more safety scanners, an AGC with a LiDAR scanner, or a machine that uses many different devices. In this tutorial, the cell is my demo case, and it includes two SICK devices, a nanoscan and a TIM. Use the feature SARA Editor to define a cell. To open SARA Editor, open your internet browser and input your hardware's IP address where SARA services are installed, followed by /SARA-editor. You can ignore the pop-up message, "Your connection is not private." In a real installation, the user's IT department will provide a certificate for a secure connection. Log in as administrator. Type in admin and then the password test123#. Please change the default password in User Management. To add a cell, click plus. Name your cell. Optionally, add an icon or image. Save the cell. Click on the cell to add new data sources. Name the data source. Optionally, add an icon or image. Indicate if you are adding a data source from a SICK sensor or an external data source. Select the device type, type in the sensor's IP address, and optionally, a port if it differs from the standard communication settings. After you have saved your settings, the app creates a data source that appears in the data source list. Now you can specify the data the app should display. Click Views to configure how images appear. Add a new view, select the information to be displayed and how the app should display it, and name the view. Some views need additional distance information. You can specify this by defining a distance and focus filter. Now, configure the menu for users. My current user is admin. Add a view to the menu at the desired position and save the view. You can also combine multiple views into one menu item. Add further items by clicking plus in the menu. Please note that the SARA base package is delivered with a standard set of pre-installed icons. The last step is to specify the tags. Click the Tags navigation menu and create a new tag. Name your tag and optionally select an icon. Select all the views you want to assign to this tag and save your settings. You have now successfully created a cell with one data source.